storm. I like the structure of that one. Yeah. This thing is just going to die off. This can take over. Let's hope.
The left side of it. The left side of it. Look to the left side of it. Left side of it.
Oh, shit!
Oh man, that's happened quick.
Oh my god!
There it goes! There it goes!
Oh my god!
It's still going. It's still going.
Oh, it's on the ground now. It's that far, I guarantee it. Oh, there's debris cloud. Debris cloud, it's on the ground. Beautiful elephant trunk. See, there's a tornado over there, buddy. Yeah. It's on the ground.
Woohoo!
Wow.
Oh yeah. So we need to call it in?
Go for it. All right, tornado virgin.
Yes!
Holy shit!
Yes.
Woohoo! Oh my god. Bill! Oh my god.
That's a nice tornado, man.
Oh well, hey, we got a great view right here. Right toward us. Long way toward us. Wow. Very I want to go back and get west. I want to get closer to this thing. We're way too far. We're probably 7 or 8 miles away. That's way too far. Yeah, we did it multiple times. Does somebody call that in? All right, thank you. as soon as this dissipates, we're out of here. I want it back on the pavement and blast closer. We're too far. We're 7 or 8 miles away. I want to be a mile away.
Let's go now.
Well, no, you don't want to. Well, you still got the tornado on the ground. You got to. All right. Well, it's ramping in rain now. Look at this. Oh man. It's full of everything. Structure striated. That supercell. Tornado on the ground. Mamadas overhead.
Roger Hill in the crowd.
First one.
It's the storm, that's for sure. God, that is gorgeous. It's just the structure is really pretty.
Ah, of course.
Oh my goodness. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. All right. Pull it out of the way. What's that?
So we could almost just keep playing, let this one go by and the next one come up. We'll just
Yeah.
run back and forth.
Things gotta be moving northeastward, I bet. East northeast, let's see. Yeah, this one is just moving northeast. And we get the next one down the line. Large tornado to the west. Big tornado. We can get up on this hill, past this plant, and then we'll be able to stop here.
We get that hill, we can get it.
It's not coming from very towards us, is it?
I mean, we'll see.
They gotta always make it difficult, don't they? Hopefully it'll be firmly planted on the ground and not completely shrouded with rain. Yeah, it's a huge one. Yeah, it's a big wedge. Oh my God, we gotta get on this hill here so we can see it. Oh,
Yes.
baby.
Alright, we gotta get up this hill.
Yeah, we'll be up here and you'll be able to have a view here in just a second. Gonna get a great view here in just a second. Let's see what we got up here. Oh, big cone! No, do we place a stop here? Let's just stop
There's
right.
another
Oh,
road
there's
right
pull
there.
in right there. Pull in.
Whoa!
Wow! Big cone tornado! Big cone! Wow! 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 Wow!
What's the camera? Camera.
It's pulled up, I think. Oh no, there it is.
On the ground?
Yep. Hey, not in front of the.
Firmly planted big wedge. Okay, I got your finger right under it. Are we going?
It's amazing to get that big fat of a cone from that high of a base.
Yeah, I know.
Isn't that wild? Wow.
This road dead ends, doesn't it, up here?